Hi everyone, welcome back to our video tutorial for today. Are you suspecting if your WhatsApp account could have been hacked? Here is a guide on how to check if your WhatsApp has been hacked. The first thing is to log on to your WhatsApp on your device. Then you look for any unusual activities on your WhatsApp account, such as messages you didn't send, contacts you didn't add, or changes in your profile pictures or status. The second way is to check for linked device. You go to your settings at the bottom of the phone and you click on it. In the WhatsApp settings, tap on linked device. This shows all the devices connected to your WhatsApp account. If there are devices you don't recognize, it is a sign of potential hacking. So you click on the device and tap on remove device to delete the device from being linked to your account. The third way is to manage your account settings by regularly checking your account settings for any unauthorized changes. You click on the accounts still under the settings, so you check for unauthorized changes such as email address, phone number, or privacy settings. You can also enable the security notifications on your device. You click on security notification, then you toggle on the switch here to enable it. You can also enable the two-step verification for an extra layer of security. This requires a PIN whenever you register your phone number with WhatsApp again, therefore adding a barrier for potential hackers. You can also change your WhatsApp account password as any other password linked to the compromised device. If you suspect your account has been hacked, you can contact WhatsApp support immediately. They can provide guidance on securing your account, thereby recovering any lost data. By following these steps, you can better understand if your WhatsApp account has been hacked and take appropriate action to rectify them. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye.